I am sure you've seen on your feed influencers wearing these very weird looking masks. Well, let me tell you, it is not just a trend. These LED face masks are packed with amazing benefits for your skin. So if you want to know how this mask can help you boosting your collagen or helping you getting rid of acne, then this is your video. Now let me tell you about the one that I have been using, that it's this one over here. This is from the brand FOLOKE, and excuse me if I don't pronounce it right, but this is the FOLOKE Therapy Wavelength Beauty Machine. I'm gonna put it here on the screen because with my accent I understand that it's not the easiest to pronounce, but this mark is not just a pretty face, not pun intended. This mask is packed with really impressive features that make it stand out in the world of LED skincare. So first of all, let's take a closer look on the LED world. Why is everybody raving about it? So this is an LED face mask, and it is designed to use wavelength to target some of our skin concerns. I know it looks scary, but it is super easy, non-invasive, and it gives your face that extra boost, whether you're dealing with fine lines, breakout, or you just want to give your face a little bit of more radiant look. So the mask has different types of light depending on what is your target. Red light, it's all about aging. What red light does is to help stimulate collagen production, which can smooth fine lines, wrinkles. And with that, it gives your face a more firm look, giving it an overall youthful appearance. These masks can also be switched to blue, and blue, it's to target acne. So what it does is that this blue light kills the bacteria that causes acne, helping reducing the appearance of breakouts and also calms the skin. And what it's cool about this mask in specific is that it has red, as I showed you, blue as we just talked about, but it also has blue and red at the same time. So if what you want to do is target both because you struggle with wrinkles and aging, but also you still have some acne breakouts that you would like to target, then you can do both at the same time, which I think is pretty cool. I bet that you've seen these LED face masks that are very firm, but this one, look at that, it's just very flexible. It feels awesome on the skin, like it adjusts perfect. So with this type of design, you can be laying down like I do, because when I use it, I like to lay down, be on my phone, read a book, whatever you want to do. But you can also be doing stuff around the house, or you can move, just because again, it's very flexible and it's just adjusts to your face, so it's not, again, bulky. What is also awesome about this mask is that it has 7 different light modes. So we can do red if you want to target aging in general, fine lines, wrinkles, all of that. Then we have the option of blue if we're struggling with acne. But as I told you, we can also do both at the same time, which is pretty cool. But not only that, that it also adjusts to how strong we want the light. But actually what I like the most about this mask is not only what I just said, it's actually that it's completely wireless. So there's this attached to the mask. This is the battery of the mask. You don't need to have it plugged in while you're using it, which to me, again, it's the best feature that they could give me, because otherwise with other LED masks, you need to be next to an outlet and you cannot move. But making it wireless gives you the freedom of moving around, maybe put your laundry on, maybe relax on the couch, maybe read a book, maybe cook. It's all about flexibility. It is not you adjusting to now have this new step on your skincare routine, but the other way around. As I already said, this is completely rechargeable, so no need to replace batteries or having to worry about any of that. It's just recharged like a phone or like anything else. You just connect it with a USB portal and you're ready to go. Also, just in case some of you are wondering about that, in my case, I've used it 3 times since the last time that I plugged it in and charged it completely, and it's still fully charged. So, and I use it for around 20 minutes every day. So yeah, it lasts more than a week fully charged, which is awesome because you don't have to be worrying and thinking about like, oh, I haven't charged it. lasts a long time. What is also really cool is the FOLOKE uses 99 pure light energy, which means that the light penetrates deeper into the skin, giving you better and faster results than some other LED masks out there. I come to you with no makeup now, so you can more or less see no makeup, no filters, what my face is looking like right now. I've been only using my FOLOKE mask for a month now, so I cannot tell you if these results are only because of the mask or because of hormonal changes, right? So for that, I will leave it up to you to decide. But what I'm happy is that I can see improvements, but especially the biggest positive change has been in the morning. Let me explain. When I started looking into red light therapy and that, I saw a girl talking about how red light therapy was so great for her during the mornings, how she used the mask for like 20 to 30 minutes every morning right when she wakes up. You know, when you're in bed but you're still not ready to wake up, but you're in bed, so that's when she put it on, and that helped her to get in a better mood in the morning. Let me tell you one thing, I am not a morning person. I cannot do mornings. So if I find one thing that can help me be a better morning person, that's it, I'm buying it. So of course I gave it a try, and it's probably the main reason why I really wanted to try red light therapy, and I can tell you with certainty that that has helped me a lot. It does help a lot. I mean, it's not a miracle, what can you expect, but they are a little less rough, and I take it. Overall, I'm honestly so happy with this FOLOKE LED face mask. It's become such an easy and fun part of my routine, and I love that it addresses more than one concern with just one device. So whether you're dealing with breakouts like I usually do, or you just want to boost your skin, or you are dealing with fine lines, or you just want a little something extra in the morning, then I think this is such a great investment. I will leave a link to this mask in the comments down below, and please, if you have any questions that I may not have addressed, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be really happy to try and answer them and help you all. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.